Hi everybody, today we're reading Pete the Kitty and the Case of the Hiccups, by James Dean. I hope you like it, and be sure to subscribe, and if you have a copy, go get it and read along. Hiccup, oh no, Pete has the hiccups. Hiccup, hiccup. How do you stop the hiccups? How do you stop the hiccups? By standing on one foot, breathing in and out. I don't know. Pete asked Grumpy Toad, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Grumpy Toad. You stand on one foot. Grumpy Toad has a mushroom house, and Pete has a regular house. Mushroom house. Pete stands on one foot. Hiccup, hic. Pete still has the hiccups. This picture I really love because look at his bottoms. It's so cute. Look at it. Look at him. Isn't he cute? Pete asked Callie, how do I stop my hiccups? Callie's like C and Celia and Callie. We both start with a C, but it's different sounds. Pete asks Callie, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Callie. You stand on one foot and hop up and down. Now he's crawling over. See? Look, he's crawling. And I like her shirt. Her shirt is really cute. And the teddy bear. He likes his teddy bear, Pete. Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. Hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccup. Hic. Pete asks Gus, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Gus. You stand on one foot, hop up and down, and sing a song. Gus loves playing music, I guess. And now look at him. He's getting ready. Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down and sings he sings a song. La 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 la. And the teddy bear's doing bah bah bah. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Hic, hic, hic. Ah. Pete asked Bob, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Bob. Bob is Pete's brother. I've seen Pete's videos on TV. And look, try to find the teddy bear. Can you find it? Yay, you found it. He's under the umbrella. Pete's just saying hi to Bob. And there's a crab. Good kind of crab. It's a flat crab. You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song and rub your belly, says Bob. Pete does it. La 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 hop hop hop. It's hard to sing while you hiccup. Hic la hic la hic la. Hiccup, hiccup, hic. Nothing is working. Pete still has the hiccups. Go ask Mom, said Bob. Look at these drops. This picture, no teddy bears here. Pete asked Mom, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Mom. You take a deep breath, and Pete takes a deep breath. He's like, now try to find the teddy bear in this picture. You found it. It's over here. Hold your breath and blow it out, says Mom. Pete holds his breath. His breath It's like a loading. It looks like it's loading. Like, it's loading. It looks like it's... He blows his breath out. And breath is coming out. That's it? Pete asks. That's it, says Mom. You can see the breath. Now there's 2 teddy bears. 1, 2. Look at the flowers. One is yellow. See? Try. Sometimes authors make mistakes. See, the cabinets are yellow, so maybe the author accidentally did it on the flowers. He waits, and he waits, and he waits. And there's 3 teddy bears. Try to find them. Yep, you found them. 1, 2. Try to find the 3rd one. Right there. You can just see its eyes and its ears. The hiccups are gone. Moms are so smart. I hope you like this book, and I hope you like coming to Celia's book club. I hope you subscribe.